Buslife.
Buslife. You saw that last road closing, so we went about 5 miles down another washboardy dirt road and got to this road closing. So we were just gonna press on. We're only a mile from the trailhead, so we're just gonna add a mile to the hike. We're just gonna turn around when we want to anyway, so here we go. Is this the pond right here?
Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be a pond over here.
There's our pond. What do you think, Kopek? Look good? Lower pond down there.
There's a slide. We're out here exploring.
Oh, I can't get my foot out. Hop. Oh, I'm getting nice ice burns on my calves. Down to the knee.
Down to the knee. I think it's just like walking on water.
You got 4 points of contact. That's not fair.
Yeah.
And you're much lighter than us.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break.
We haven't even made it to the trailhead yet.
I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise.
All right, we've had enough of the snow.
Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake.
We are turning around. We didn't get that far. We're turning around because both of our ankles are all scratched up from sinking into kind of crusty snow.
Super fun.
So we're done. Well, we're halfway done because we got to go back.
Trying to retrace our footsteps in this deep snow. I got dad shoes on.
Don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead.
Back in Brian's bus after I don't know, semi-successful hike. Not the most successful, but yeah, we still had fun. Kopek got a lot of exercise in. So here we go. Back to camp now.
Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tired and misunderstood. I would fight if I could.
Today's vlog is brought to you by GoPro. Not because it's sponsored, but because we had a leaky Nalgene that got my camera. Where'd my lens go? What did I do with my lens?
I have no idea.
I put it somewhere. Oh. Let's try that again. Today's episode is brought to you by GoPro. This got a little bit worse. You can see my lens as well, my kind of everyday lens. So though, we're doing some vlogging on the GoPro. Hopefully Brian, I think, is gonna lend me some of his footage so you guys will get to see the exact same vlog twice.
Today we left Flagstaff. We are just outside of the Grand Canyon now. Back entrance of the park. Like South Rim?
Yes.
South Rim.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and we managed to get our water running.
Oh yeah. Here, let's do a quick demonstration.
Ta-da.
So excited. It's kind of our, I mean, we've got a few little things left, but that was kind of our last, like, really fundamental need there to have water. So now we filled up with like 30 gallons.
6 of it went into the water heater because it has to go through the water heater.
Yeah.
But that's fine. We don't have the propane hooked up to the water heater. And we're coming up on summer, so hopefully we won't need it or want it.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna talk to you about our dogs a little. This dog right here, he's a good dog. He's been well behaved all day. He's happy to be here and cozy on the couch, though your head's kind of drooping down, dude. And then, coming outside the bus here, this dog here, she's not been well behaved. She immediately, as soon as we got to camp, found a place where people poop and found herself a little snack. She got a good mouth washing and now she's trying to suck up to me. Kopek, what did you do wrong today? You little suck up. Listen, you're forgiven, just don't do that anymore. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Zeppelin Travels with Kat and Sage. Tune in to the next episode as Brian, Sarah, and Sage hike the Bright Angel Trail at the Grand Canyon. We'll see you in that episode.